You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful...
Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to try on the wig of the week. It is going to be this beautiful frontal wig. So for this wig I've not sewn the braids the way I always sew my other wigs. I used a frontal. So the front part I've used like frontal, and then at the back I crochet the hair on the cap and braided them. So guys, if you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. You really don't have to use glue, but then you can use it if you want to, and then undo the baby hair, cut it and style it, and then of course you have to cut the lace as well.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you break your back to make me feel again. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You break your back to make me feel again.
That was the wig of the week, and thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Some things never change.